Hello Kamath learners! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Our topic for this week's video ay tungkol sa how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang ating video kung paano tayo nag-derive ng quadratic formula, please check this video mamaya. So what is quadratic formula? X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yun yung ating special formula where a must not equal to 0. So meron tayong steps guys kung paano natin masosolve ang quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Step 1, rewrite the equation in standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Step 2, identify the coefficients. Ano ba yung letter A, B, and C? Mamaya makikita natin kung paano. Step 3, substitute the values of A, B, and C in the quadratic formula. So guys, kapag makita natin ang ating discriminant, ang ating discriminant ay dun sa formula is b squared minus 4ac. So if the discriminant is greater than 0, that is positive siya, there are two real solutions. But if the discriminant is equivalent to 0, there is only one real solution. Pero kung negative ito, there are no real solutions. Ang ating step 4 guys, simplify the mathematical equation. Kasama na doon yung radical expressions natin. Example number 1, solve the quadratic equation below using quadratic formula. X squared minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. So sa ating example, meron tayong coefficient. Ang a natin is 1. Tandaan natin yung kapag yung x walang katabi, 1. Ang invisible lang yung 1, no? Ang ibig sabihin yan, 1 ang a natin. Ang letter b natin is negative 6. Kaya negative 6 dito. Ang c natin ay 2. So meron na tayo. Next step natin, step 3, substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. So ilalagay lang natin, substitution. X equals negative b. So guys, lagyan mo ng negative, tapos lagyan mo ng parenthesis tapos negative 6. Beware tayo guys sa mga negative na yan. Lagyan natin lagi ng parenthesis yung isa-substitute natin. Kung may negative dun sa formula, wag nating kakaligtaan din. So plus or minus square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times ilan yung A? 1. Ilan yung C? 2 times 2. So napansin nyo guys, nilalagyan ko lagi ng parenthesis yung sinasubstitute ko. Lalo na kung may negative sign. All over 2 times 1. Kasi yung A, 1. So ito, simplify na natin. So negative times negative is positive. X equals positive 6. Copy, plus or minus. Square root of, ito, negative 6 squared, ilan? 36. Minus, ito, 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Napansin nyo yun guys? All over, 2 times 1 is 2. Nasobrahan yung radical. Okay? X equals, ito guys, simplify natin. 36 minus 8. So copy, plus or minus square root of 36 minus 8 is 28 all over 2. So itong 28, pwede siyang maging 4 times 7. Kasi yung 4, pwede nating ma-square root maging 2. So i-factor out lang natin, no? X equals 6 plus or minus square root of 4 times 7. So yung matitira lang sa loob is 7 kasi yung 4 lalabas na siya maging 2 over 2. X equals 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 7 all over 2. So napansin nyo yun guys. Tapos itong 6 makakancel siya. Maging 3. Pati itong 2 dito magiging 1. So magiging ganito na lang siya guys. X equals 3 plus or minus square root of 7. So ito, meron dalawa tayong solution. X equals 3 plus square root of 7 and x equals 3 minus square root of 7. So, dalawa yung ating solution. So, ito yung ating final answer, dalawa. X equals 3 plus square root of 7 and x equals 3 minus square root of 7. So, hindi na siya pwedeng masimplify unless na lang kung ang instruction is i-convert mo into decimal yung square root of 7. Yan, depende sa instruction. So, this is the final answer. So, madali lang guys mag-solve na quadratic equation using quadratic formula kasi substitution lang. Okay? Huwag pala natin kakalimutan, no? Doon sa ating quadratic formula, a must not equal to 0. Hindi dapat equal siya sa 0 ha, kasi hindi na siya magiging quadratic equation kung ganun. Next problem please. Problem number 2. Solve the quadratic equation below using quadratic formula x squared plus 3x equals 10. So napansin nyo guys, yung 10 nasa kabila. So ililipat natin siya sa other side of the equation. Transpose. Kasi dapat ax squared plus bx plus c nasa kabila. So yung 10 magiging, positive magiging negative because 0. So yan, pwede na tayong mag-identify. Ang a natin is 1. Ang b natin is 3. Ang c is negative 10. So, substitution na tayo guys, no? Ganito. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over all over 2a. So, negative 3. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis para di tayo malito. Plus or minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times ilan? Yung 1, yung a is 1, letter c is negative 10. All over 2 times 1. So guys, x equals, so negative 3, alisin na natin yung parenthesis, plus or minus, to guys. 3 squared, ilan? 9. Kasi 3 times 3, 9. To guys, negative 4 times 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 10. So guys, anong unahin natin? Itong minus o yung multiplication? Siyempre, yung multiplication. PEMDAS rule. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung ating video tungkol sa PEMDAS rule, yung order of operation, PEMDAS rule, please check this video mamaya or I will give the link on the description box below. Pero patapusin muna tong video na to. So, negative 4 times negative 10. Lagyan natin na all over 2a pala. So, 2 times 1 is 2. So, x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. Negative 4 times negative 10 is positive. So, negative times negative, positive. So, meron din tayong video tungkol sa multiplication of positive and negative integers. Pakicheck na lang sa description box below. Over 2. So, ito guys, ilipat natin dito sa kabila. X equals negative 3, copy lang, plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 40 all over 2. So, x equals negative 3 plus or minus 9 plus 40 is square root of 49 over 2. X equals negative 3 plus or minus 7 over 2. So, meron tayong guys, dalawa. Hatiin natin. X equals negative 3 plus 7 over 2. Tapos dito naman, x equals negative 3 minus 7. over 2. So x equals negative 3 plus 7 is 4 over 2. X equals 2. Ito yung ating isang root or solution. Ito naman, x equals negative 3 minus negative 7 is negative 10 over 2. So x equals negative 5. So ito yung ating final answer. X equals 2 and x equals negative 5. So, alam mo naman kung paano mag-checking, no? Isa-substitute mo na yung value ng x dito, x yung 2 at saka negative 5, doon sa ating equation kanina. Ito. Pwede doon sa taas or ito. Isa-substitute mo lang para malaman mo kung nag-equate siya sa 0. Tama yung ating solution or roots. Dito tayo sa next problem, problem number 3. Example number 3, solve the quadratic equation below using quadratic formula. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Feel free to pause ha. Pwede nyo i-pause muna. Tapos, tsaka nyo tignan kung alam nyo na paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Substitution lang naman guys. I-identify mo lang yung ABC and then substitution and simplify. So please pause the video now. Okay, so tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot mo, no? So, ang A natin is 1, ang B natin is negative 2, ang C is negative 8. So, substitution, x equals negative. So, lagyan natin ng parenthesis ulit ha. Negative 2 plus or minus the square root of, yung B is negative 2 ulit, squared, minus 4 times, ilan yung A? 1. Ilan yung C? Negative 8. All over 2 times 1. So ito, negative times negative. Napansin nyo, negative times negative is positive. So 2. Or simply 2. Positive yan. Square root of, ito. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 yun guys ha. Tapos ito, negative 4 times 1, ilan? Negative 4 times negative 8. Again, anong uunahin natin? Minus o multiplication? Siyempre ito, multiplication. So all over 2a, yeah. All over 2. Kasi 2 times 1 is 2. So, simplify lang natin na sa loob ng radical. Radical expression, plus or minus the square root of 4. Negative 4 times negative 8 is positive 32. All over 2. X equals 2 plus minus 32 plus 4 is 36. All over 2. Again guys, hindi kasya kaya dito natin napapatuloy sa kapila. So x, copy lang natin. X equals 2 plus or minus square root of 36 all over 2. X equals 2 plus or minus 6. Kasi yung square root of 36 is 6. So meron tayong dalawa ulit. Hatiin natin. X equals 2 plus 6 over 2. Kasi yung isa naman, x equals 2 minus 6. Napansin nyo, ito yung plus, ito minus. Over 2. X equals 8 divided by 2. X equals 4. Ito yung isang solution. Ito naman, x equals negative, 2 minus 6 is negative 4 divided by 2. X equals negative 2. So guys, pwede nyo ulit kayo na i-checking ha. Laging advisable yun. Para malaman nyo kung tama yung sagot nyo. Kasi ako kanina, na-checking ko na to. Kaya alam ko na tama yung sagot natin. So this is the final answer. X equals 4 and x equals negative 2. Kung subukan nyo mang substitute itong 4 tsaka negative 2 dun sa ating original dito, x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0, magiging tama yung equation. Mag-equate siya sa 0. Okay? Last but not the least, ito tayo sa problem number 4. Dito tayo sa last but not the least, problem number 4, solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. 8x squared plus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So, ang ating letter A is number 8. Ang letter B natin is 12. Letter C is 4. So, substitution lang guys ulit. Same process. Okay? X equals negative. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis ulit. 12 plus or minus the square root of. Yung B is 12 squared minus 4 times 8. Yung A natin, yung A is 8 times C, 4. Substitution lang talaga guys. All over 2 times 8. Kasi yung A is 8. So, ito, naging negative 12. Simplify. 12 is to. 12 squared. Ilan? 12 times 12 is 144. So, ito, negative 4 times 8, ilan? Negative 32 times 4. All over 2 times 8, 16. X equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of, ano unahin dyan? Itong minus o times? Siyempre yung times. Ito muna guys. So magiging 144 minus ilan? 128 all over 16. X equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 144 minus 128 is 16. All over 16. Again guys, hindi na kasya dito. So dito tayo sa bila. I-copy. Negative 12 plus or minus square root of 16 over 16. So ito na guys. Dito tayo sa ating ito. Square root of 16 is 4. So x equals negative 12 plus or minus 4 over 16. So dalawa ulit yung ating real solution. X equals negative 12 plus 4 over 16. And then x equals negative 12 minus 4. Okay ba guys? Over 16. So negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8 over 16. X equals negative 8 over 16 is negative 1/2. Ito yung ating isang solution. Dito naman, x equals negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16 over 16 is x equals negative 1. So, dalawa ulit yung ating real solution. So, ganun lang guys, no? Madali lang. Substitution. Kaya, pwede naman yung completing the square. Kaya lang, yun kasi ang disadvantage. Marami kang steps doon. Ito naman, meron ka ng special formula, yung quadratic formula. At na yun, i-identify mo lang yung ABC. Madali lang naman eh. Convert mo lang into general form ng quadratic equation. Form na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Dapat ganung form mo na para may identify mo yung a, b, and c. Tapos substitution lang and simplify. So this is the final answer. The solution, there are two solutions, real solution of quadratic equation x squared, 8x squared plus 12x plus 4 equals 0. The real solutions are x equals negative 1/2 and x equals negative 1. So this is the final answer. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math Page. At pakisuyo, abangan mo rin ang susunod natin mga video Halimbawa, kung paano tayo mag-solve ng quadratic equation by factoring. Okay? Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Okay, so huwag mo rin kalilimutan na i-turn on ang notification bell para lagi kayo updated at wala kayo mamiss sa ating mga exciting and future na uploads. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because in our channel, you will find and learn a simple and clear explanation to math lessons and ideas. And also, a step-by-step solution para ma-improve mo rin ang iyong math problem-solving skills and analytical thinking skills na magagamit mo hindi na ngayon, kundi pati na rin sa hinaharap. Kaya laging tandaan ang ating outro message. Every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye!